Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add music to your video clips in DaVinci Resolve. So guys, currently as you can see here, I'm in DaVinci Resolve guys, and I'm going to go ahead and add music to this video clip here. Let me go ahead and play it. As you can see, it's just a video, no music behind it. So the first thing that you want to do is to ensure that you find the music. So two ways how you can go about doing that is you can simply go ahead and open up your file explorer. I'm going to go ahead and open up file explorer here. It's on my second screen, and I can go ahead and I can find my music, right? So I have a music right here, and I can simply drag that music onto the timeline, right? As you can see, once you start dragging onto the timeline, it's going to appear, right? The second way how you can go about adding music is just a simple right click anywhere here under your media section here, and you can import media from this master section. So I have a music here in my downloads folder, and I'm going to simply go ahead and click on that music and click on open. As you can see, it's now open there, and I can easily go ahead now and take that music file by simple drag it onto my timeline. So once I drag it below my video, you will see it appears. I just need to let go, and that's it. You can go ahead and you can adjust the music, and once you find where you want to start it, you can click on the audio and do a Control+B on your keyboard on your Windows computer here. Remove the parts that you don't want, and you can start it wherever you want. Now I'm going to put it towards the end of my video here, and I'm going to press Control+B again to get rid of the ending. And as you can see, it's now even. If it's too high, you can always go ahead and reduce the volume to your liking by simply clicking on it. And there's two ways how to go about doing this. If you look in the middle of this audio here, you can see a thin line. If you bring it up, if you bring this up, it's going to make it louder, and if you bring it down, it's going to reduce the volume. So the second way how you can do that is to click on the audio, then click on inspector on the upper right hand side, and here you will see volume. So you can bring this up or down in order to increase or decrease the audio or the volume. So I'm going to reduce it, and yeah, let's go ahead and play it so that you can hear it. And there you have it, guys. That's how easy it is to add music to your video clips in DaVinci Resolve. Thank you guys for watching. Give this video a like if you find value here, and if you're seeing the channel for the first time, guys, hit that subscribe button to become part of this growing community. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video.